Hello everyone, welcome to New York City Travel. Intro. Welcome to New York City, the city that never sleeps. From iconic skyscrapers to diverse food, from modern animal hospitals to peaceful nature escapes, New York is a world in one city. City and buildings. New York's skyline is truly unforgettable. Tall buildings like One World Trade Center and the Empire State Building reflect the city's ambition and modern lifestyle. Every street tells a story of history, culture, and progress. Food experience. New York is a food lover's paradise. From classic street hot dogs and halal carts to luxury restaurants and world-famous pizza slices, every flavor of the world is found here. The food culture represents the city's diversity. Animal hospitals and care. New York has advanced animal hospitals and veterinary clinics. These facilities provide world-class care for pets, using modern technology and experienced professionals, showing how much the city values animal life. People and lifestyle. The people of New York are fast, focused, and ambitious. Everyone has a dream. From early morning subway rides to late night city lights, life here moves quickly but with purpose. Nature and mountains nearby escapes. While New York City is urban, nature is never far away. Central Park offers a green escape in the heart of the city. Nearby mountain areas and hiking trails outside the city provide fresh air, scenic views, and peace away from busy streets. Outro. New York City is not just a destination, it's an experience. Food, people, buildings, care for animals, and nearby nature together make this city truly unique. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore the world with me.